Good evening, Shibarmy. Soon, the people who are burying ships on Shibaswap will be able to claim Ryoshis, since 1% of every transaction in Ryoshis is distributed for everybody who are burying ships. And another 1% of every transaction in Ryoshi is burned. So there are fewer coins in the total supply every transaction. And out of those rewards which you will be able to claim on Shibaswap, 67% is locked. That is how it looks right now. And from there, we get a bridge back to our management ecosystem. You see, in one deep end, there is the community. For example, this Ryoshi team as a separate idea from the Shibaswap developers. There is the community with all its ideas, opportunities, and the drive. Are you a talented developer? And so forth. There are many people, musicians, artists, writers, who got their talents. And then there in the middle there is the volunteering group of admins, and then in the other deep end there are the Shibaswap developers. And this whole, we are the team. The whole is the team. And right now, in the middle of it, there is the feasible exchange that utilizes decentralized finance, DeFi, hashtag use Shibaswap. There you go, the new pairs listed here within their fresh liquidity pools, and most of these new listings are with 20 AP. That means the pool is relatively small compared to the inherent Shibaswap tokens, Shib, Leash and Bone. And you know, the listing fee is in ships and leashes. For example, what it was with the Pearl listing, and those ships and leashes were burned. So that adds up to the scarcity of the inherent tokens and the utilization of this whole DeFi economy. That is going to add many more future endeavors and functions. You know, keep that vision bright. What comes to Ryoshi.vision, already about 1 trillion less tokens than during the launch day. Every transaction is having the burn to Shiba address, and then another percent is redistributed to people who are pouring ship. That is beautiful. Yeah, keep on woofing, you know? So serene. What is more to come other than your bright vision? What else it makes possible, feasible, or plausible? Now, despite the deflatory burn is implemented in Ryoshi, once more, since there seems to be a flag of the community that is suggesting, for example, deflatory burn to ships or the other tokens, why it's not a good idea? Because it adds up tax to every transaction. Think about it. Trading and exchanging should be essentially free with minimal cost. And in my personal view, you know, from DeFi to actual politics, I'm against that type of taxes. Actually, the SIP developers have also been against such burn function. Yet, these type of listing burns are completely on the different level. Since, think about it, if there is 25k burn in ships and 25k burn in leash, every listing, that is 50k. Now, if 1000 new listings add up the burn, do the math, how much that is in burn. And it is feasible without any tax on people. That is much better idea. and we can idealize more and discuss more about those kind of ideas which don't add cost or fees or taxes on people. Keep that in mind. Open for discussion. So far, we are exemplifying the DeFi paradigm shift with the creation for people. There is so much value to be realized, only that imagination gotta catch it up. Woof.